pharmaceutical companies coming out and trying to launch their own digital platform. Is this going to be a new type of competition for pharmacies? Pfizer, for example, right here is talking about launching Pfizer for All, and it's a trademark piece. It's a digital platform to access healthcare. Interestingly enough, this is their website. They do have cookies, so if you are going to do your own version of telemedicine, notice the cookies preference here. I'm going to decline all of them. Let's see what happens. So welcome to Pfizer for All. They are selling everything from scheduling vaccines, saving on Pfizer medications. This might be a way of getting around PBMs and directly saving patients money. Let's see what medications they have. So again, they do enable private insurance, government insured. So you can actually get some support saving money with the insurance benefits and private insurance. What I do find interesting is they don't really talk about, okay, let's see, save on your medications. But what if you don't actually have any kind of insurance? For government underinsured, you may be eligible to get the Pfizer medication for free. As pharmacists, do you think you guys are going to use this option? This is the patient assistance program. They can send patients here. If you're a pharmacist, this may be one way to actually save some money for your patients. There are some restrictions. However, recognize that Pfizer is now competing with you. Now, what I think is interesting, they're enabling same-day appointments with independent healthcare providers via telehealth, which means Pfizer is getting into the telehealth world. That's going to raise all kinds of questions about, is there any kind of kickback concern that you need to be worried about? And it doesn't raise itself automatically. Just because you have telehealth doesn't mean it's a kickback. However, there have been some bad actors who have used telehealth, and the DOJ and the FDA have not been kind. Congress is looking into telehealth more and more. I think we need to be more careful of that. Tell me what you think. Do you guys think you're going to use Pfizer's options more? Do you think that patients will prefer this? Do you think pharmacy will change as a result of any of this? Can't wait to hear from you guys.
If you like this type of content, please like, subscribe, share. It really helps the channel.